We've been there.
Well, here is Ragley Hall here.
Yeah, we did it when our reunion mix. It was nice. So we've been
Marquis and Marchioness of Hertford's home. Oh, we're having a good wave there. Rolls Royce here. Silver Shadow. And the Jaguar XK8 there. 4 litre. Lovely there, man. There is access to the house and garden. An extra charge, shall we say, in addition to the fee to come into the motor show here. I believe they have an event here. Different events, but the motor show at least once a year. Got the Triumph Stags here. Dog looking on there. Now, what have we got here? While I'm up here. This interesting sports car here. Now, is it a British made? A lot of these sports cars are British, of course. McLaren, etc., Noble, and others. Yeah, interesting. It is actually left-hand drive. So. Well, that's the Koenigsegg there. Now, doesn't sound British, but you never know. You get some international people coming over here, setting up businesses because of like the way British love a sports car, and of course there's always the fact that government are quite friendly with the new businesses over here as well. There we are. This is Ragley Hall. Motorbikes, classic cars, few American, vintage, sports cars, and a few customized as well here. Ragley Hall.